These shoes were actually bought to go hiking with. I bought this one. Oops. Dirty shoes. Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't be a stranger and hit that red subscribe button. I'm at the bar now and I'm currently doing barn work and I'm waiting for Ingrid to come. She'll be here in an hour and a half or 2 hours, something like that. So I thought that being done with barn work until she comes is actually a good idea, because right now it's getting darker. As the hours go by, it's getting darker. So yeah, I think it's good to get out with the horses right away, so we don't have to come in complete darkness. And I have the evening feed today, so I've got a couple of horses to take in as well, so it will be exciting. Yeah, so I'm trying to film a bit, but I'm not promising the best barn vlog. So you can't really see it, but if you listen closely, you can actually hear it. It rains a lot today, and if I go closer, it's really annoying that you actually can see it. So, but you can hear it. I hope it stops raining before Ingrid comes, and that we have half in the rain. I have this left, this pile here, and got this left. Yeah. I am really so unsure whatever to do today, because it's seriously pouring. I really don't want to go out in this rain, and I have so much horses to take inside, so I thought that I might try to take them in a little bit earlier, especially the foal and Gro, but I don't know yet. I'm really sick of this rain. I'm soon finished with all the chores, and it's still pouring down like, pardon my French, but pouring down like hell. I'm honestly so sick of this weather. I don't know what to do, so just have to see what the day brings. Hello, Ingrid.
Hello.
Today we decided to not ride. We are going to let them loose in the ring so they can run a bit. And Ingrid is excited. Du gleder deg til det?
Yeah.
As you can see, Teline, she stops eating when she's cuddled. This one, she doesn't. She eats while she cuddles. cute donkey with a big rug on. With the tiny cute little details. There. Hello, now we are going to feed all the other horses. Each and one of them. Right? Yep.
Yes.
She's gonna feed Rimfax. So we have to make it ready for him. Ingrid is preparing the meal for Rimfax. So, okay. Half a cup of milk powder and 1 bottle of water. And shake. Stir. And while she does that, I have to wipe the floor. If you enjoyed this video, please
Like,
comment and subscribe, and we will be back in next barn vlog.
bye.
Bye!